Chiadorain a hagin give noch ma. Thank you. Simply put, Glenmoriston. Glenmoriston. This is a praise song, and this was composed by Alexander MacDhomhnaill, Alasdair MacDhomhnaill. He's one of our 5 bards, but he was the one that not only composed his own poetry, but also collected thousands of songs and stories, and without his work, a lot of that would have been lost. The wee blue book on the table is where you'll find the song Glenmoriston, a praise song for the Glen at this time of year when it's all in bloom and the cuckoo is singing and stuff, and it's got a nice sort of bumbling feeling to it. I think you said, Charlie, it's like a little bit like a bumblebee or something, kind of. So Alexander MacDhomhnaill requested that this be put to the tune of Hic Trí Rúdan Gníorí, which is a well-known Gaelic song from Inverness Shire. So Glenmoriston, ma. Ida Hewlis is da Gleann Nam Moireasdain Boiachnan Dadisnan Crochalilan Had ma hari leid durach gan diach en gadu ich ma grei Oh, gleich gegen Lundi go outside and loop harry blah. Hamochri go shiari a toger segiri vi hus. Fignan pialax na manchich figna lagen if Connors nam brew. Figna altens nan nesan nan krachen nan pressans nan kurst. Faren klein nan niergerik ja med de slienig machluish. Hike gan saurig bevaiach en Gleanid gachtu. Na prish garam galiach gegach pagge gehede they San kuag san smiarach lehi it is kjolid gach cru. Again, Jalay, Nisket, I got in a cake, Jalen Roo. Lambutage, Nox and Namshan, a V on the Gleann Nam Fignam Feich again, Fjordach, Channel, and Yonians Nam Blue. Can you say the same halu of gedeen se kommes na koerst? Riving kein jes mal an en nummes kunnen press bodies na loo.